Hi friends, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, we are going to see how to integrate WhatsApp chat functionality on a Shopify website. Guys, using this website, customers can directly contact you on your WhatsApp and place an order with you. So guys, also you can assist the customers on the WhatsApp itself for any help that they require. To know about these steps, guys, please watch the tutorial till the end. Also, if you are new on my channel, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also, press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. So, without wasting much time, friends, let's start. So, guys, if you see, currently I am on the Shopify website of mine, and if you see, there is a chat option over here. So, this is basically the WhatsApp chat option, and we have the bot replying a message to the customer. It says, "Hi there, how can I help you?" And friends, there is a chat option over here for the input. So you can type your message over here, whatever help you require, and you can press on this particular button. And when you press over here, then you'll be redirected to the WhatsApp if you are doing this on your phone. Otherwise, if you are on the desktop, then a new tab will open, and over there in the new tab, you need to log into your WhatsApp web. So now let's see how do we integrate this WhatsApp chat functionality on a Shopify store. So let's go to the Shopify admin panel first. In the Shopify admin panel, we need to click on apps, and then over here we need to click on recommended apps. Shopify by default doesn't have this WhatsApp chat functionality integrated. So we need to integrate a third party app. So guys, if you scroll down, then you have this Shopify App Store link. Click on it. This is going to open the Shopify App Store for you. In the search result, we need to search for the app called Eva Trust Badges Sales Pop-up. So after entering the name of the app, press enter. So guys, it will load the apps which matches these names. So the app that we are looking for is this one, Eva Trust Badges Sales Pop-up. So click on it. So this is the listing of this app. So it is a free app. So you can integrate free WhatsApp chat functionality on your Shopify store. And guys, if you see, it has 5-star ratings and it has 2086 reviews. So let's click on add app button over here. On this page, you are going to see all the information that this app is accessing, like customer information, store owner information, and any other permission details which this app is accessing. We need to click on install app button over here in order to complete the installation process. And you are going to see the whole installation process on this screen itself. So there we go guys, the app has been installed successfully and now it is getting configured. Currently we are on the home page of the app and we can see a message, "How are you?" and a store name that is coded. So since my store name is coded, I can see my store name over here. So in your case, you are going to see your store name over here. And then at the down you have all the options that this app has, and at the left side they have the menu. Again, the same options are shown. The functionality that we are looking for is live chat. So click on this. Over here we will be configuring the WhatsApp functionality. So if you see the live chat functionality, so in your case, if this option is off, then kindly turn it on. Then you have the choose preset option. So basically there are three types of preset. First is WhatsApp, second is Messenger, third is WhatsApp plus Messenger. If you go with WhatsApp, then only WhatsApp functionality, that is WhatsApp chat, will be enabled on your front end of the Shopify website. If you select Messenger, then the Facebook Messenger will be enabled in the chat option on the Shopify website front end. If you go with third option, then WhatsApp plus the Facebook Messenger will be shown in the front end of the website. In this video, we are only going to concentrate on the WhatsApp. So if I select this particular WhatsApp option, then I get the step 2, that is select channels. Over here under phone number, select the country first. So depending on your country, you then need to enter the phone number which is registered on the WhatsApp. Ensure that the number which you are entering over here must be registered on the WhatsApp first. Then enter your name. So like basically your store name basically you can enter, because whatever name you enter over here will be shown inside the chat option, or basically you can say chat window. Then you can show a custom avatar. So basically like if you are a boy, then you can display boy's icon, or girl, etc. I have selected this cross icon because I don't want any custom avatar. Then I have step 3, display settings. Over here we have two options. That is, if we want to display it on all the pages or on the few selected pages. If I select all pages, then the WhatsApp chat option will be shown on all the pages of your Shopify website. If you select selected pages, then only on few pages you can show. Like if I select selected pages, then see there is an option called exclude pages. Exclude pages means you are going to hide on these particular pages. You are going to exclude these pages. So if you want to exclude on card, you can exclude it. If you want to exclude on blog, then you can exclude this by just selecting. So let me go with all pages because I want to show it on all the pages. Then you have the position, whether if you want to show the chat icon on the right side of the website, or if you want to show on the left side of the website. This is totally depending on your preference. So let's go with the right side. Then we have the display devices. So currently if you see, desktop and mobile both are selected, and you can see from this blue color highlighter over here. If I select this over here, then it is getting unchecked. Now only the chat option will be shown on desktop. If I select this again, then now if you are hiding on desktop as well as on the mobile. So let's go with the both. We want to show on desktop and mobile. So select both these options. Then step 4. So under here, you can set a response time. So basically when the chat window will open, so it is going to show you the basically typically replies in within what particular minute. So you can change this title over here. So you can see the preview over here. Typically replies in within an hour. So I can say typically replies within minutes. So basically, you are going to see this particular change over here. Now, also if you see, there is a greeting message. So, hi there, how can I help you? And same is shown under this particular chat. You can change this particular message. So, I can say, hi, customer, how can I help you? So, also we'll write, can I assist you in placing an order. So similarly, you can make changes. So if you see, same text message is shown over here also inside the preview. Then you have the icon background color. So the chat icon which is shown here first is shown in green color. So you can change this color by just clicking over here. Then you have the icon color, so you can change this. Then you have the description background color, see over here is shown as blue, and you have the text color, so text color is this particular white. Then online time, so it is available 24 into 7, so it will be shown this particular chat option will be shown 24 into 7, that means enable all the time. And if you use this scheduled time and only for this particular time, this chat option will be shown on the website. You can change this time and date, so day basically. So just click on these arrows to change the time. Let's go with available 24 into 7. If you are a web developer, then you can make changes to the UI of this by just making changes in the CSS. So if you are not a developer, then I will not recommend you touching this option because you are going to mess it. Now, if you see, you can see the preview in mobile and also on desktop over here at the right side. Let's scroll down and click on save button over here. This is going to save the changes for us. Also guys, if you haven't enabled this live chat option over here, then please enable it. And again, click on save. There are two save buttons, one at the top right and one at the bottom right. So let it get saved first. And then we are going to open the website front end and we are going to test. So guys, live chat has been updated successfully. Now let's open the website front end and let's test it out. So there we go guys. WhatsApp chat icon is now shown on the website front end. So if you see, the chat icon is shown. Now let me navigate to any other page and let's see whether it shows on all the pages, because we had selected that we need to show it on all the pages. So on the collection page I can see, then I can see it on the product page. So let's see whether it is coming over here on product page. Yes, it is coming. Let's go on the contact page and test it over there also. Yeah, it is coming over here also. Now, if you click on it, then a window will open and it shows all the message. The store owner name that we had entered in the backend of the app is shown over here. And if you see, it is currently showing me a plain avatar. If you had selected a avatar of girl boy, then it will might have shown over here. Then the message that we had entered: hi customer, how can I help you? Can I assist you in placing an order? So this is a message that I had entered in the app. Then also typically replies within a minute. These also changes I had made over here. Then in order to send the response to the store owner, we need to type the message over here and press the chat icon over here. As soon as you press the chat icon over here, then a new window will open in the desktop. So if you're on the desktop, then it will tell you to log in into WhatsApp web. If you're on the mobile, then the WhatsApp will directly open and then you can send a message to the WhatsApp store owner basically. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you in learning to integrate WhatsApp chat functionality on your Shopify website. To get more tutorials like this, please go ahead and the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. Till then, signing off from this video. Thank you.